we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 149,035 miles on the odometer. This car sounds really, really nice. You can hear that turbo kind of spooling up. Shifting is super easy. We're on a really bumpy road, so of course it's very bumpy. Typical rattles. Good. I'm going to hit on the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes feel solid, no issues there. It's a very easy to drive car as far as shifting goes and all that. Just barely got into it. Really no complaints, so really fun car to drive. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. So walking around the car a couple feet away, she's absolutely gorgeous. Now, of course, this is not a perfect show car museum quality, but she is really nice. You can look at the paint here. It has been repainted at some point in its life, and you are going to see a lot of kind of orange peel and little imperfections. There's some paint runs and some spots, but 4 or 5 feet away, it looks really good. Perfect driver's car here. Looking at that wheel, you do have a gash right there. A couple little imperfections here and there. You got the Firestones. Date code 2022. Like I said, a little bit of orange peel. You're gonna have some texture in there. Overall, that fender looks good. You do have some rock chips here, some right there. A-pillar looks nice. There are some paint runs. Just kind of looks like water droplets. You can see the age here on that lower rocker. Little scratches on the handle. Typical flaws from over the years. You got some paint runs in here. I don't see any large damage or anything though. You got some more paint runs. Here on this wheel, a couple little scuffs and scratches. And then you have a gash around that spot. Date code on the tire, 2022 Firehawks Indy 500s. Looking at that trim. A couple flaws here. Looking at the top. Gonna see some little cracks and imperfections there. Little snags. Looking at that headlight, overall looks really good. Then if you get super close, like I said, you're going to see little dimples kind of all throughout the paint. You're going to have the orange peel. Four or 5 feet away though, looks really nice. You're going to see little sanding marks here. If you get super close, you can see those little sanding marks. Typical rock impacts and chips on that front end. Just kind of scanning through all of that. You're gonna have the flaws in there. Looking at that lower splitter, you can see a couple chunks right there, kind of gashed out. There's a little crack there on the splitter. Looks like some overspray. Get really close right here, you're gonna see a bunch of flaws on that trim. You have some damage right there that is cracking, and then you have some issues there. Very subtle though. Same kind of gash mark right there that you can see on the other wheels. You have a paint run right there. Typical rock impacts. The windshield was replaced at some point. Scratches on the vinyl and on the paint. You're going to see some overspray on that plastic trim. Like I said, she's not perfect, but she does have a fresh paint job, or at least at some point. It looks good. Get up close on all this, you're going to see overspray. Honestly, this is a perfect driver's car. This is something you just go out and enjoy. See chips along that edge where the paint's kind of peeling, a little bit of overspray. You're going to see the age on that light, some gashes, some little spider cracking and fading. And some sun damage on there. This one looks similar. Get up close, a little cracking, a little fading. Alright, checking out the interior. These seats look amazing. Got the roll cage here in the back. Got the upgraded steering wheel with the Alcantara. Love those floor mats, manual. Checking out that door panel. Upper section, you're going to have some cracks. Typical issues there. That trim looks good. Handles on there nice and secure. That looks nice. Looks like it's separating though here. Looking at that trim, that looks good. Looking at the door jambs, little details there. Like I said, these seats are really, really nice. Upgraded at some point. Got the Alcantara steering wheel. Of course, it is matted down in some spots. You're gonna have your wear, like the yellow here that matches. That looks good. That's nice and clean. You're gonna see some flaws on the dash if you get up close. Looking at the dash here, the plastic has warped. You can see the wrinkles, the flaws up there. That looks good. Nice and clean. Here on the underside of the dash, just kind of scanning through that and some of the wiring. That shifter looks good. Here on this door panel, overall the upper section looks good there. Looks like you're missing some trim here and some flaws. Handles on there nice and secure. This is faded, but it is all intact still. Overall the trim looks good. Love these floor mats. Looking at that bolster, that looks amazing. These seats are very, very clean. Got the roll cage. That looks good. Dash, a couple markings, typical flaws. See some wrinkling on the upper side there. Those seats, they look pretty much brand new. Alright, checking out the front here. Put your battery in there. Here on the underside of the hood, get up close on the sticker. For the most part, that's in good condition. You get up close there, you're gonna see little chips, typical flaws, some little paint runs. All right, checking out the engine bay here. I got the massive intercooler, looks really good. Just kind of get up close in here the best I can. Not a lot of space. Very tight fit with all of this. There's one more view that I can kind of get in.